Hey there, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to Learn with Rishi, the ultimate destination for enhancing your English proficiency. In today's lesson, we're going to unravel the mystery behind your and your. Now, these two words may sound similar, but they have distinct meanings and uses in English. So our goal today is to clarify the difference between them and provide you with the strategies to avoid common mistakes. Plus, we'll wrap up with the quiz featuring 10 questions to test your grasp of your versus your. So let's jump in and sharpen our language skills together. Now, once you've learned and more importantly, remembered the two words, their meanings and when to use which one, you should never make the mistake of getting the two words mixed up again. Even though these words are very common in the English language, plenty of people still get them wrong. So make sure you're not one of them and continue watching this video until you are sure you know what you are doing and why. So we have the first word your, which is about owning, and you are, which is your in short, which is about shortening. Now, your is a possessive adjective, which is used to show possession. Your exam results were very good. However, the second your is a contraction, which is a shortened form of you are. So let's see how these can be used in different contexts. Starting with question 1. This is your pen, which means the pen belongs to someone, so it is a possessive adjective. So you wouldn't say you are, you would say your. And so this is our answer. Let's move into the next one. This is your house. So once again, this possessive adjective is required because it's someone's house. The house belongs to someone. So your is the correct answer. Once again, don't forget to pause the video at any given time, attempt the question, and then press play. You're the best student in the class. Now, is there anything possessive about this sentence? Does anybody own the class? If not, then we're going to go for the your with the contraction, which is you are the best student in the class. So you need your. Okay, let's go for the next question. Your work is very good, and you're going to be given a prize. Can we have both of the same yours? Well, we know that we can eradicate these two here. Now, the first gap requires a possessive adjective because it's someone's work. The work belongs to someone. So we would have your. We cannot have you are work. It's very good. But for the second one, we can certainly have that. Your work is very good and you are going to be given a prize. So I hope that makes sense. We've got your and you are. Okay, over to the next one. You're joking. So the sentence states that somebody is joking. So you need your with the apostrophe, which is the same as saying you are joking. On to the next one. Your mum is a marvelous cook. So again, it's your mum. So it's a possessive adjective because it's someone's cooking. And remember, the cooking belongs to your mum. So you would have your. You're coming really far, so let's keep up the great work. And don't forget to challenge yourself by perhaps writing your own sentences and then testing your siblings or your parents or even your friends. Okay, you're not going to believe what I've just heard. Now, the sentence makes a statement about who is not going to believe something. So you need your with the contraction, as that is the same as you are not going to believe what I've just heard. So there is no possessive adjective here. Okay? Your stamp collection is one of the best that I have ever seen. Now, as we can erase these two, would you say you are stamp collection, or is there a possessive adjective here? Now, if you've chosen a possessive adjective, then you're absolutely correct, because the stamp collection belongs to someone. So we just have your. And over to the next question. Your turn. So again, it's someone's go, and the go belongs to someone. So we go for your, not the contraction. And then finally, your father's spitting image. Now, we've got two gaps. So what does that mean? Are we going to say you are father's spitting image, or you are your father's spitting image? And how do we differentiate it? Well, because the sentence states who the father's spitting image is, and by the way, that just means that you look exactly like the father, then the second gap requires the possessive adjective, because it's someone's spitting image. So you are the spitting image of your father. So you would have your, and then your. And that there would be the blue one. Fantastic. And there we are. Thanks for tuning in to our lesson on your and your. We trust that you now feel more confident in distinguishing between these commonly confused words. And remember to apply what you've learned in your everyday communication to just reinforce your understanding. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn with Rishi for more language learning content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll tackle even more grammar topics. So until then, keep practicing and honing your English skills.